So this is my finished Cessna 310. Really happy with the way it turned out. I mean, it's just classic 1960s private aviation. Ended up using about 3 coats of paint to give it more of a fiberglass look than a foam look. Put landing lights, nav lights in the wing tanks, warning light in the rudder, and strobe on the top and the bottom of the fuselage. Of course, retractable landing gear. And the nose gear is steerable. It's tied to the linkage for the rudder. And this is my favorite part. I got a servo speed regulator for the flaps. So these are the flaps. So basically it slows down the speed of the servo, gets it a real scale look. My finishing touch was I put matching trim on the antenna. So that's the 310. I can't wait to take her out and get her in the air.